what exactly are we talking about with the concept of mindfulness? And mindfulness is really aimed at helping people be in the moment. You may have read about the benefits of meditation and other ways of quieting down the mind and trying to center yourself, get some focus in the present. Meditation is a great thing, but very difficult to attain, particularly if you're living a modern type of lifestyle. It often requires something else that you can be involved in practically, but has a lot of the meditative benefits that can be associated with the traditional Eastern practice of meditation. The therapeutic art has a way of also getting you centered and focused, a way of acceptance of your present position, and also a way of quieting down the old and ingrained patterns of thinking. When you're involved and absorbed in the therapeutic art, you are not thinking about what happened 2 days ago, and you're not being distracted by things that would normally get you worrying about the same old thing or some sort of antagonism or whatever the case may be. It also is going to help you process certain things or certain patterns in a different way. Help you to not react in old destructive thought patterns, but perhaps to step aside, as it were, and see them for what they are. Those thought patterns that were keeping you trapped in almost this endless loop of frustration or self-destructive beliefs. And because this is a different approach to art, not a fine art instruction type approach, but an approach where we're looking simply at the process, it's open to anyone, in particular people who feel that they can't even draw a line without messing it up. And there's such a complex about their creative ability. We're going to do away with all of that and show people like that you can do something creative. You're actually going to have fun doing it. And there's nothing more fun than simply making a mark and then another and letting it develop, maybe adding some color to it. And that is the way in. That's the way into your creative nature, to show the fun of it, and the benefits of it come with that.